Our Game on Wales is a football programme. It's been delivered by the Coalfields Regeneration Trust for the last 20 years. We love football. We think it's a great tool to get young people active and engaged in our former mining communities. The ethos of Game on Wales is to offer that fun, free football, informal recreational football opportunity. So it's about taking that sort of offer into our former coal towns and villages and offering something that's free. So it's offering and aimed at those children that are not currently club players. So we bought into that from day one, really. So we're able to offer now football-based activities from ages 2 all the way up to 82. So we can offer something to everyone in the community. So it's that football for all message is important for us.
I really like playing football. I really like scoring goals.
I think what we do is so important because it offers a new opportunity, perhaps. You know, there's a lot of good stuff going on by local clubs and local initiatives, but I think what we can offer is something a little bit different. So it's that chance to turn up with their friends and with their mates in a much more informal sort of way, but still play football. And it's free, of course, you know, that's a big bonus for us.
I think they're great, yeah, because I didn't know what to expect because I've never been before. This is her first time as well, so. Yeah, I didn't know if it'd be just football based, but it's anything to keep the kids active in a way. It's just the whole training setup, different obstacle courses, football, hockey, it's a bit of everything.
Getting young people to move at a very young age is very important to us. You know, the health of the nation rests on this, you know, so I think football is a great tool to do that. So it's great to see that the FAW and other partners are investing in opportunities within school, but also outside the school as well.